Hello everyone, welcome back to a new video. Today in this video I'm going to guide you on how to turn on the sleep mode on Instagram. When you turn on the sleep mode, it allows you to turn off the notifications like sending reels or any likes on your videos, etc. So without any discussion, let's move to the video. First of all, open the Instagram app, then tap on your profile icon that is at the top right bottom corner. Here, tap on the three vertical lines that is at the top right corner. Now you will see the several settings like saved, archive, your activity, notification, insights, meta verify, time management, but you have to click on the time management option. Here you will see the two options, daily limit and sleep mode. Now tap on the sleep mode and turn on the option. After turning it on, then manage the start time according to you and the end time, and you can choose the days or weekend and manage the days according to you. Then after managing all the things, tap on save options. Through this way, you can easily turn on the sleep mode on your Instagram. That's it for this video. If this video helped you, then hit the like button and do subscribe for more videos like this. Bye bye guys, see you all in the next video.